Hello everyone, welcome to the Techie Accountants Vlog, the place to be for all things accounting and finance. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you will never miss a video. Today we are kicking off a new series focused on career development for accountants and finance professionals at different stages of their lives or careers. And in this video, we'll be diving into 10 things every accountant should be doing in their 20s to set themselves up for success. I hope you're excited because I am. Whether you're just starting out in your career or have been in the industry for a few years, these tips will be invaluable in helping you build a strong foundation for your future. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number one, building a strong foundation of technical skills. In your 20s, it is crucial to focus on building a strong foundation of technical skills that are essential for success in accounting. This includes developing a deep understanding of accounting principles and standards, learning how to use accounting software, the different packages, preparation of financial statements, financial analysis, and staying up to date with changes in tax laws and regulations, just to mention a few. Secondly, pursue advanced education. While a bachelor's degree is the minimum requirement for most accounting or finance jobs, pursuing advanced education such as master's degree or professional certification like ACCA, ICANN, ACTI can give you a competitive edge in the job market and increase your earning potential. Third point, building a strong professional network. Networking is a key component of success in any industry, and accounting and finance industry are no exemption. Building a strong professional network can help you learn about job opportunities, stay up to date with industry trends, and connect with mentors who can offer guidance and advice. Fourth point, gaining relevant work experience is critical for career advancement in accounting and finance sector. Whether it's through internship, part-time jobs, or full-time jobs, it's important you get hands-on experience in accounting. This will help you build your skills, develop industry connections, and prepare you for the challenges of the job. The fifth point, developing strong communication skills. As a finance professional, you will need to communicate complex financial information to clients, colleagues, and other stakeholders. Developing strong communication skills, both written and verbal, will be essential for success in this field. The sixth point, learning to work effectively in teams. Many accounting and financial rules require working as part of a team, so it's important to develop strong team working skills. This includes learning how to collaborate with others, communicate effectively, and manage conflicts. Communication is key. 7. Building a personal brand. In today's competitive job market, building a personal brand can help you stand out from the crowd. This can include building a strong online presence through social media or blogging or showcasing your skills through professional organizations or industry events. 8 points. Staying up to date with technology. Technology is transforming the accounting and finance industry, so it's important to stay up to date with new software, tools, and platforms. This includes learning how to use cloud-based accounting software, data analytics tools, and other emerging technologies, to mention a few. Ninth point, developing a growth mindset. To succeed in accounting and finance, you will need to have a growth mindset and be willing to learn and adapt. This means embracing new challenges, taking on new responsibilities, and continually seeking out opportunities to grow and develop. The last point, which is the 10th point, seeking out mentorship deliberately. Finally, seeking out mentorship from experienced professionals can be invaluable in helping you navigate the early years of your accounting career. Whether it's through formal mentorship programs or informal relationships, finding a mentor who can offer guidance and support can be a game changer. So, there you have it, 10 things every accountant or finance professional should be doing in their 20s. By focusing on these things, I can assure you that you're setting up yourself for success and a fulfilling career in the industry. Watch out for the next video for those in their 30s. Please make sure you like, you subscribe to our channel, and you share with your friends as well. Until I see you again next week. Bye.